So now we're going to start taking a look at degrees and how we actually measure all of these different angles. So when we talk about degrees, we're talking about basically a circle. And a full circle is 360 degrees. So all the different angle types that we've been talking about, obtuse, straight, right, acute, all of that, think of it within an entire circle. So obviously, the entire circle is 360, so we're going to be measuring parts of that circle, so less than 360. So for starters, just 1 degree of a circle would be 1/360th of a circle. So if it's 1 over 360, that numerator is the degree. So 1 over 360 and 1 degree are the same. So for instance, if we see this example, it's telling us that this angle measure is 20 parts of the entire 360 circle. And we know that we automatically are just going to take that numerator for the degrees. So we can say because it is showing us 20 over 360, that automatically means it is 20 degrees. Next up, though, this time it doesn't have 360 on the bottom. This time it's just telling us that the angle measure is 1 over 10. But we know back from our our equivalent fraction chapter that we can easily fix that. So we know it's starting with 1/10, but we know in order to look at what degree it is, it has to be over 360. So we can think about changing the denominator to make it an equivalent fraction. So we have to think of 10 times what is going to give us 360. And then we can say, well, we know 10 times 36 will give us 360 to change our denominator to 360. But we also know that our number one fraction rule is what we do to the bottom, we also have to do to the top. So because we multiplied the denominator by 36, we also then have to multiply our numerator by 36. So 1 times 36 will also give us 36. Because now we have 36 over 360, we can take that numerator answer to write our degrees. So we get a final answer of 36 degrees.